Hello everyone, it's Laura. So today I'm going to share an update with my 50 Shades of Green project pan. This is a Fantastic Ladies collab project and it was created by Jessica, Amanda, and Cece. And in this project we're working on 50 green items. So for me, I'm working on 10 at a time, and for this update I have 4 things rolling out. So I have 2 sets of foil packets, one from Virtue and one from Kerastase, and they were both hair things and they were fine. Can't really tell much from a foil packet. I also have this Farmacy Daily Greens Moisturizer. This one smelled kind of funny. I guess it's supposed to smell like papaya, which I don't know, maybe it does, but oh yeah, papaya and morninga, but I don't know, I didn't really care for that scent. But yeah, this was just okay, not something I would buy. And the last thing I finished is this face wash from Simple. This is the Micellar facial gel wash. This was just okay. I mean, I got it from TJ Maxx and I can kind of see why this was discounted. It didn't really like lather up that much and it wasn't really that great at taking makeup off, so probably wouldn't get that again. And the rest that's still in the project, I have this baby oil from Market Basket. And I've been using this. It's very slow going. I think when I introduced it, it was probably up around there. So slowly going down. It's hard to market because it's an oil and the markings come off. I also have this shampoo from Garnier Fructis, and I forgot to mark it, but I think it was like halfway, and now I'm down to here, so going along with that. I have this aloe from Walgreens and I did not use that even once. I have a sunscreen from Cetaphil. I did use this one time, not on myself, actually on my nephew. We opened our pool a couple weeks ago and he was super excited and wanted to go swimming even though the water was freezing. So I put this on him and he went swimming and he didn't even complain that it was cold. And the last 2 things that are continuing on are my nail polishes. I did use these, I think, one time, but it's really not enough to make a mark. So this one is still pretty much full. I think it's like just under the line, but if I make a new mark, it's just going to be one thick mark. So that one is there. This one still about here. I have 4 new items I'm rolling in. The first one is this face wash from Basis. I found this at Market Basket and I have never tried it before. It says that it gets rid of makeup and dirt and pollution and all that. So I figured I'd give it a try. I've only used it a couple of times, so I don't have like a big opinion on it yet. I'm also going to be rolling in this lotion. This is from Paul Mitchell. It's a body lotion, lemon sage energizing. And I think this came from a hotel years ago, so this has been kicking around the bathroom. So I want to get this used up. I have this CeraVe facial wash. And the last thing I'm rolling in is a lotion from Cetaphil. This is a face lotion. This is one of the projects where my goal is to finish everything. I think for next time, I should have a few rollouts. I only have 1 week left of school, like school that I work at. So hopefully things will be calming down after that and I can spend some time out by the pool so I can get this used up. I don't think it'll be trouble using these samples up, so those should be no problem. So maybe 4 rollouts next time. So that means so far in this project I have finished a total of 12 green items. So that means I have 38 more to go. Okay, that's everything. I'll see you next time. Bye!